Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I know that I have been MIA for quite some time because you know what? It was a hot girl summer. Maybe it wasn't a hot girl summer. Maybe it was a warm woman summer. Maybe it wasn't a warm woman summer at all. Maybe it was just summer. In any event, I'm back. For real, for serious. Like, not going anywhere. Like, I'll totally be here. Promise. So I'm going to show you this look that I created today with our 39L Hit the Lights palette from Morphe. Morphe. Da, 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 da. Remembers Nick Jr. Okay, maybe I'll grow up one day. That is certainly, most certainly not today, friends. Thank you kindly. 'Tis silly town here. Completely unnecessary, I know. One day I will grow up. That day is not today, friends. It was unfortunate for you to think that it would have been. Ooh. Here it is, and look at the colors. Look what we got here. Why am I singing? Like, I'm just making up songs about makeup. This is like, that's how it be. That is exactly how it is. So I'm going to show you how I created this look today using that palette. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel for more looks. Please, I'm open to suggestions, recreations, different things that you like to see. Just let me know and leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Okay, I'm done. Thank you so much. Let's move right on into it. Let's go. You already know the collaboration. So I got my eyebrows on, kind of baking a little bit. A little under the eyes. I'm gonna go in with my blush. So I am using the Kiss Geranium color. And honestly, I love it. It's more in the peachy family. My skin is super oily, so I have to bake like this. Like, I have, like, there's no in between. There's no other way. Like, I literally have to do it this way. But I love this color. I actually wear it every day to work. Like, every single day. But I put in a little bit extra for y'all. So you can see what time it is. If you haven't already, go to my Instagram page to see some of my latest looks. I have posted them in my looks tab highlight in my stories. Doing a little baking. Baking a snack currently. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go in with my, okay, I think I'm gonna go deep and dark today. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go in with this. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start here, up top under the brow. I don't know at all. Okay. All right, I'm gonna just try something. I'm gonna just try a thing. This one has glitter in it. It's gonna be pretty. when you take that highlighter a little bit too far. But who's to say what too far is? Think about it. Going underneath the bottom with it as well. Still not done smacking, am I? Yes, friends. So this glitter, this is gonna be it. Yeah, this is gonna be it. You know what? I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I'm gonna put on my highlighter. Well, I already have some highlighter on, but I'm gonna highlight those important areas. Got my Sephora highlighter here. Tri-color. You know, tip of my nose just a little bit. Forehead, just a little bit. Little natural glow, natural shine going on. How natural is it really? Ah! The chin here, right? A little bit over here. So if your skin is oily, you don't need to do all of this because this is gonna come out. But for all intents and purposes, so that you can see where these natural places are supposed to be shining, I am going to highlight them slightly. You can put a little bit along the bridge of your nose. Don't get too crazy with it. There's a certain look I like and there's a certain look I don't like. I don't like it when it's too much highlight going on, right? Under the brow bone, that's another place you can highlight too. So let me do that and come back. Going in now with my Anastasia Beverly Hills. Don't ask me why I have an accent just now because I don't know why. Where is it? Okay, found it. Here we go. A little bit of liner. We're gonna go back on now. Going back in. And here we are, friends. Here's our finished look. You should head over to my Instagram page to see up close and personal photos of this look. Do it. Just do it. Don't forget to subscribe.